how to enable or disable text messages show as pop-up on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next in here, we go down and tap on the profile icon. From the pop-up, tap on messages settings. Next, we tap on notifications, and then we scroll down and tap on notification categories. Now, if you do not see this option available, you need to turn it on from the notification advanced settings. So you need to turn this one on. If it's off, then it will not be available in here. So we need to switch it on. Once you have switched it on, tap on notification categories. And then in here, tap on incoming messages. Next, we go down and tap on show as pop-up. So tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off show as pop-up. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.